So, today I wanted to explore this pretty much abandoned warehouse. Yeah, there used to be many factories in this area around this, but this is the only one that's left. Yeah, some water storage tank. It was like metal processing, I'm pretty sure, so yeah, nothing. Yeah, it's been really destroyed. Yeah, some just metal tanks that were like too old, too heavy to just take by scrappers. And yeah, here's the huge main part with like a crane there. There's also this basement here, but it has been really flooded, as you can see. Yeah, nothing's really left from the equipment that was originally here. There's this, but I don't know what these are. There's also like been some overgrown a bit with moss, and yeah, a lot of graffiti. Some toilets here, probably. And yeah. There's a toilet here, so I guess that's something. Yeah. All destroyed. Yeah, more toilets here. Yeah, just a chair here. Oh, some lamps, probably taken just by scrappers and put them here for some reason. Yeah, more rooms with drugs, graffiti. And yeah, here's a better overview of the main part with the crane. So yeah, let's go up. Wow, there's a lot of snow, really. And the views are just really nice. Like here is a FedEx center built over one of the old factories. And there's like three working ones in this area. And there were originally many larger factories in this area that can be still seen on like old basically satellite photos from like 15-20 years ago. Yeah, this whole place used to be like one huge factory, but yeah, it has been since demolished and only rubble remains. And over there is the power station, well, power and heat station of the city. Yeah, so I guess that's